Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to be using the Amor'us SnowQueen palette for today. So I'm going to be using Blizzard.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew.
And now I'm just going to start kind of blending that color out a little bit.
Kicking it, kissed by the sun, could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same.
I'm going to be going back with the color Blizzard, which is a dark blue.
Cause you got me holding, even if my jokes aren't funny.
So the next thing that we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease already because I am happy with the way this looks right now. So I'm going to be using my CoverGirl in the color Buff Beige. The glitter I'm going to be using is this one from Jcat, and it does not have a name, but it's this pretty like bluish greenish glitter. So mix glitter glue.
And I'll be running, possessed by a low voodoo, fired up like a wolf on a full moon, and we're stuck in a la land. The tides will turn without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got.
So the lashes that I'm using are from Beauty Creations, and these are in the style Turnt. So these right here, and it says Turnt right here. And there's the 3D silk lashes.
Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it.
Okay, so I feel like these are a little too natural for this look. So I'm gonna be using the Amor'us USA 3D 05 mink lashes. These right here, and I just got these as well. Stacked on top of each other, it would be like different, you know. Okay guys, so I went ahead and double stacked Beauty Creations Turnt and Amor'us in 3D 05. So I stacked both of these together, and I feel like it gives the lashes more of a fuller look. So yes, I'm gonna leave it like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying some foundation. And the foundation I'm going to be using today is the AOA Studio A Plus foundation. So I've been trying this foundation. You guys know I've said it before in my prior videos. The matte foundation, the one with the Peak Top AOA brand as well. Absolutely love that one. And I've been trying this one. So this one is more of a dewy, like a satin dewy, and the other one's more of a matte. You guys seen my video where I talk about these products, my first impressions. You guys notice that I do talk about this foundation being super watery. So I was kind of skeptical about it. Maybe I'm not gonna like it because it's too watery, but I actually like it too. So I've tried it different ways, and the best thing to do with a beauty blender and actually apply it directly to your face, like if you're doing you know, like some type of oil drops, facial oil drops. So this is literally how I do it. And being a satin dewy finish, it has great coverage. I don't know if you guys could really tell, but yeah, like the coverage is amazing as well as the other one. I really like this foundation. If you guys purchase it, make sure you guys try it this way. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the rest of the stuff that I need on my face, and I will be back to show you guys the finished result with all the makeup done. So before I do my lips and add highlighter, I am gonna go in with Miss Metal Liquid Shadow in the color North Star, and I'm gonna be applying this on the tear duct. So it's like a nice white a color. I really like it. Go with this one right here. It's like super thin.
When seasons change, but we're the same. Even if
Okay, so for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Nude Embrace, which is this one right here. I'm going to be using my lip brush. And then we're going to go ahead and add some highlighter. I'm going to be using the Ofra and the Nikki Tutorial. Oh, let me see. Oh, yeah, it's called Glow Goals. This is beautiful, beautiful. Highlighter is the bomb. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the finished look. I hope that you guys like it. Blues, I love blue shadows, particularly any color, but blue is one of my favorite shadows to wear. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. For those of you that have been subscribing to my channel, thank you so much. So I will be seeing you guys on the next one.